Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix no audio device installed on Windows 10 and 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So go over here in the search bar and search for device manager. And over here, all you have to do is go over to the sound, video and game controllers. And you have to make sure you know where your main device on whatever you are having problem with that. So for example, this is my main device here and I'm having a problem with this. So all you have to do is go over to update driver, browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list. And all you have to do is pick uh, each one of this on whatever you want. And you just have to click on next and that should install the update on your device carefully. So you just have to wait for that guys. And once that is done, let's go over to the step 2 wherein we go over to our services. Search services on the Windows search bar here. And all you have to do is press a random one here and just press W. So we can go ahead and navigate to Windows Audio here. Go over to right click and properties. And in here, make sure we go ahead and choose uh, here. So it should be on manual still. So we need to go ahead and press it to automatic. So like what I have here. So we just have to do that guys. And once done with that, all you have to do is reset the services by going over to, and that should restart the um, Windows services here. And you just have to press on OK and apply, hit apply. After that is done, all you have to do is go ahead and restart your device and you should be good to go guys, and the problem should be fixed now. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.